ganun. So, meron kang restriction.
Ha? Ha? Ayak na phone.
How much did I give you po yung last time? Kasi alam ko, binigyan ko naman kayo ng discount na po.
Ito ng skin discoloration ko. Ha?
Wala akong internet. Hi. Yep.
And then required an activity plan for all patients throughout the week. So instead of doing it the day before, I'm just gonna finish all the activities. Siya pang isang tao lang. It's always a team. You know, pag nasa therapy ka, lagi may kasama kang OT, lagi kang may kasamang teacher, lagi kang may kasamang supervisor, may kasamang parent. When you set a goal and you feel like you're not reaching that goal, nakaka-pressure siya. Nakaka-pressure na goal mo maging ganito, goal mo maging ganyan, tapos parang hindi mo pala kaya. The pressure will be there. Magbe-breakdown at magbe-breakdown ka talaga. But you have to celebrate your breakthroughs. Previous speakers, we graduated this 2025. And I guess the main difference is that I was a student athlete for 6 years.
Left-handed, right-handed. Dito sa taas. Right-handed.
Deep breaths. Squeeze.
Urot lang, nandito ka.
Go in 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,